Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset color settings in your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just click on your Start button. From here, just go to Settings. From Settings, just go inside System. From System, make sure you're in Display menu. Then just scroll all the way down. And here, you'll find Advanced Display Settings. Just open that. And from here, click on Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. If you have multiple displays, you're gonna see them listed here. Just select the display you want to reset the color for, and then just click on Display Adapter Properties for that display. Then just go to the Color Management. Here, click on the Color Management once again. Then just go to Advanced. From here, click on Change System Defaults. Click on Advanced again. From here, make sure to select Use Windows Calibration, and then just click on Close. Click on Close again. Click on OK. Just close down everything. And then just go ahead and restart your PC and your color should be resetted. And basically that is how to reset color settings in your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.